All right, so the performances, was there any individual performance today that stood out for you?
Yeah, man, definitely. Dujuan, Whisper Richards, the youngster, in the first half, took a shot at the post. I see a couple of missed passes, but you know, to me he stood out. The goal was just a very good opportunity taken by a quality player. So overall, it's a decent performance against the Honduras team that we have had so much success against. I expect us to be a lot better, you know. But especially being at home, I don't think we dominated the possession, which we should play in a team like Honduras, which is a new team with a new coach. And I guess you can say we're a more seasoned team coming from the Gold Cup with that run. Expected a lot more from the boys.
All right, so with this victory today, how confident are you with this team going at least to the semi-final in the Nations League?
Nations League. It's gonna be rough. When you come out of the group, who most likely get in? Not sure. It's gonna be hard because the way I see us play now, bear in mind that we have teams like Panama, US, Canada, Mexico. We only have the 4 top spots going to the Copa America. If we play like this, we won't make it to the Copa America, definitely. We won't make it.
Okay, so...
we have to improve moving forward.
Okay. All right, so any final thoughts pertaining to this game? And will we see you on Tuesday?
You will definitely not see me on Tuesday. I will be at home. Yeah, but time. Give it time. Give it time. Patience.
All right, we do appreciate you taking the time to speak with MG Sports TV, and we hope to see you soon.